this is Brian Parthemore from Parthemore Paranormal. We're at the one-stop wash and shop, food store, and dry cleaning. So we figured we'd show you this and see what you guys think. So, you guys ready? We got some graffiti up here, and I'll get ready to show you guys. Boom. See the graffiti on the side over here. This place got all screwed up. See the pink post? Let's see if we can see in this place. It's been all stripped out. It's neat though. See the top's all stripped out. You see wires hanging. It's all fenced up halfway. And this is a grocery and deli up there on top. So, what do you all think? Remember to like, subscribe, follow Parthemore Paranormal on YouTube. Keep exploring. You guys all have a wonderful day. Let's see if we can show this to you guys real quick one more time. And again, it's in around Dayton, Ohio. I think it's Bird Street. But this is the one-stop wash and shop, food store, coin laundry, and dry cleaning. Hit that notification button, like, subscribe, and comment.